Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the Woodworking 2-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler Combination Angle Ruler Shaped Ruler Cabinet Hardware Jig Drawer Installation. This incredible tool is a game-changer for anyone in the woodworking industry, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, let me start by saying that this tool offers a level of precision and accuracy that is unmatched. Whether you're an engineer, architect, student, draftsman, or artist, this ruler is an essential addition to your toolbox. Made from expert quality anodized aluminum, this ruler is not only durable but also features imperial and angle markings, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of woodworking projects. One of the standout features of this ruler is the rotatable ruler, which allows for adjustable feed for angle marking and cutting. This means that you can say goodbye to the hassle of trying to measure and mark angles manually, as this ruler takes care of it all for you. It also includes a 4.53mm marking hole, further enhancing its precision and functionality. The main ruler is 65 cm in length, providing you with ample space to work with and making it suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks. Whether you're working on cabinet hardware, drawer installation, or any other woodworking project, this ruler has got you covered. I truly believe that the Woodworking 2-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler Combination Angle Ruler Shaped Ruler Cabinet Hardware Jig Drawer Installation is a must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. It will not only save you time and effort, but it will also elevate the quality of your work, ensuring that you achieve professional-level results every time. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take your woodworking game to the next level, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible ruler. Trust me, you won't regret it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing woodworking tools and tips. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking.